Morning. I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about pipelining. What is a pipelining? On completion of this topic, students will be able to explain about pipelining, understand the instruction pipelining. Pipelining process. Pipelining is the process of accumulating instruction from the processor through a pipe. It also sorting and executing instruction in an orderly process. So it is called pipelining process. Pipelining is a technique where multiple instructions are overlapped during execution. Pipelining is divided into stages, and these stages are connected with one another to form a pipe-like structure. Instruction enter from one end and exit from another one end. In pipeline system, each segment consists of input register followed by a combinational circuit. The register is used to hold data and combinational circuit perform operation on it. The output of combinational circuit is applied to the various forms. We have several cycles involved in the instruction cycle. Fetch, decode, execute cycle for several instructions are performed simultaneously to reduce overall processing time. This process is referred as instruction pipelining. To apply the concept of instruction pipelining, we must subdivide instruction process in number of stages. Fetch, read instruction from the memory. Decode the opcode and fetch source operand if necessary. Execute, perform the operation performed by the instruction. Store the result in the destination. So you know the pipeline process S1, R1, S2, R2, S3, R3. Pipeline system is like a modern day assembly line set up in factories. For example, in a car manufacturing industry, huge assembly lines are set up, and at each point there is a robotic arm to perform certain tasks, and the car move ahead on the next arm. So it is divided into two categories: arithmetic pipeline, instruction pipeline. Arithmetic pipeline are usually found in most of the computer. They are used for floating point operation, multiplication of fixed point numbers, etc. For example, the input of floating point pipeline is y is equal to a into 2 star a, y is equal to b power 2 into b. Assessment question. So pipelining architecture is very important in most of the computer organization application. If you see, in most of the application where the data can be performed very well comparatively, others can do it. So pipelining is a process. It is in the structured in the form of pipe, where we can fetch the instruction, decode the instruction, execute the instruction, etc. So these are about the various stages where pipeline architecture can be used. From the topic, students can understand the basic concepts of pipelining. What is the basic concept behind the pipelining, and under what technology we are using in this pipelining concept. So next is speed of pipelining efficiency and performance cost ratio. So from this topic, students can understand how a pipelined architecture can be used in most of the application where we can understand the major concept used in pipelined architecture. So pipeline is an important procedure where we can retrieve the data in stage by stage, and finally we can execute the instruction. So most of the application, pipeline will play a major role in all the application where we can organize the data. Thank you.